In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up a personalized meal planner using Notion and take advantage of its marketplace for more streamlined meal planning. Whether you're new to Notion or looking for a way to enhance your productivity with meal prep, follow along for clear and simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're there, enter Notion in the search bar. This will lead you to the search results page where you'll want to find and click on the description of Notion. Clicking this will take you directly to Notion's official website. From here, locate the Login button on the upper right or center of the page, depending on your screen size. Click on it to access your account, or create a new one if you haven't already signed up. Once logged in, your current workspace or a default template will open. Now, take a look at the side menu. Here you will find an option named Marketplace. The Marketplace is an excellent resource for finding various templates that can help organize and optimize different aspects of your daily life, including meal planning. Click on Marketplace to continue. Inside the Marketplace, you'll want to use the search bar to type Meal Planner. This will bring up several template options designed to cater to various meal planning needs. Browse through the available templates and choose one that catches your eye or aligns with your preferences. Feel free to explore them and see which features suit you best. After selecting your preferred template, click on the Add button. By doing this, you'll integrate the template into your workspace, making it easier to access and personalize. After it's been added, a new page will appear in your side menu under Templates or Added Pages. Click on this newly appeared page to view your meal planner template. With your template set up, it's time to tailor it to your specific needs. Start by clicking on Edit within the page. Here, you can change the name to something more personalized or descriptive, which will make it easier to find in your workspace later on. After renaming it, look for the sections where you can add ingredients and instructions for your meals. This function is particularly helpful if you want to keep a detailed record of your favorite recipes or weekly plans. Finally, take the time to customize your entire week. Notion templates often come with multiple pages or sections, allowing you the flexibility to plan out each day's meals with ease. Explore all available buttons and features within the template. These tools are designed to keep your meal planning process organized and stress-free, leaving you with more time to enjoy your meals. That's it for this simple guide on using Notion and its marketplace for meal planning. With these steps, customizing an efficient meal planner to suit your lifestyle has never been easier.